Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your UI design skills, today's quick tutorial is absolutely for you. We're diving into how to design great-looking buttons right inside Figma, using some handy templates and tools. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a set of polished buttons ready to use, but you'll also know exactly how to customize them so they fit perfectly with any project you're working on. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, we need to find our starting point. Head over to the Templates and Tools section in Figma. This is basically like the resource library for designers, packed with so many helpful assets to streamline your workflow. In the search bar, type in Great Buttons. This is how you're going to zero in on those high-quality button templates that you can start working with immediately. Take a moment to browse through the different options that pop up. You'll often find designs ranging from sleek modern buttons to more playful or classic styles, depending on what fits your project's vibe. Once you find a style that catches your eye, go ahead and select it. Remember, this isn't just about picking something that looks pretty. Think about what kind of button works for your users. For example, if your website or app is going for a clean, minimal look, you might choose a button with simple typography and subtle shadows. On the other hand, if you're working on something vibrant and youthful, maybe go for bold colors and rounded corners. Once you've made your choice, just hit Open in Figma. This will bring the design directly into your workspace, no need to reinvent the wheel from scratch. Now comes the fun part, customization. You don't need to settle for the default look. This step is really about making the template your own. Maybe you'll want to swap in your project's color palette, adjust the font to match your brand, or tweak the button's shape to better suit your UI. Even small details make a big difference. For instance, try experimenting with the border radius to see if you prefer sharp edges or softer curves. These little adjustments can totally change the personality of your buttons, making them feel more custom to your brand or project. Don't worry if you need a few minutes to test things out, it's all part of the creative process. And remember, in Figma, you can always undo or revert changes if something doesn't look just right. Once you're happy with your new button designs, you can go ahead and use them in your projects. Simply copy the button component you've customized, then paste it directly into the Figma file where you're working, whether it's a website landing page, a mobile app screen, or even a design system. This process helps keep your workspace organized and lets you reuse those great buttons across different screens without having to redo any work. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few steps, you've gone from searching for inspiration to creating fully custom, professional-looking buttons in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, or if you have any questions about working in Figma or UI design in general, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more practical design tutorials, tips, and inspiration every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.